Here we go! Tornado warning! Tornado warning! Here we go!
This message is for test purposes only.
Alright.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued this as a test message. Tornado warning for Elkhart County, Indiana, Wabash County, Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, Grant County.
It should be on the TV here soon.
In northeastern Indiana.
Tornado warning.
Northeastern Indiana, Kosciuszko County, Indiana, Cass County, Indiana, LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, LaPorte County in northwestern Indiana, Steuben County in northeastern Indiana, Allen County in northeastern Indiana, White County in northwestern Indiana, St. Joseph County, Indiana, Blackford County in east central Indiana, DeKalb County in northeastern Indiana, Fulton County, Indiana, Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, Wells County in northeastern Indiana, Adams County in northeastern Indiana, Jay County in east central Indiana, Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Miami County, Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana. This is a test message. Until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time, this is a test message. No severe weather is occurring. This test tornado warning is being issued as part of Indiana's Severe Weather Preparedness Week. If this were an actual warning, you would be given information about the location and path of the storm and safe actions to take. This is a test message. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Adams, Allen, Blackford, DeKalb, Elkhart, Fulton, Grant, Huntington, Jay, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, LaGrange, Marshall, Miami, Noble, Pulaski, St. Joseph, Stark, Steuben.
Here we go! Alright. When is it gonna happen? Already got the Noaa part of the test. Alright. Here we go. Wait, St. Joseph, Michigan? I'm in Michigan. Why is it not Indiana? Anything that is on NBC or WNDU, I do not own. This is not for copyright. This is the statewide Indiana tornado warning drill, and it somehow has, St. Joseph, Michigan.